friends, Allie from Allie Scraps here, and I wanted to do a really quick unboxing of the newest Illustrated Faith kit. This is the first kit in the Revival Camp series, so I think it's going to be like how they've done in the past is like a 3-month series over the summer. And Revival Camp is always so much fun. I love it. I love all the kits they put together, and I'm really excited about this kit in particular and this series of Revival Camp because it's travel themed, and I think that's going to be really fun. So I have done Revival Camp in the past. One of my favorite projects is last year's. I did a binder, and this year it's going to be probably a little bit different. I'm planning on doing it in a traveler's notebook binder of sorts, and this one's the Webster's Pages. It's the brown leather, just because the traveler's notebook in this kit is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to quickly unwrap this, and then I get right back and show you what is in the kit. So of course there is the thank you card from Shauna, and she just does a wonderful job of like laying things out and showing what colors are coming for next month. Love this. But what I really like is that this month it is a postcard, and so I think this will look really good just even tucked into my traveler's notebook, or I can even cut it out, but this space looks really fun for journaling. So what I'll probably do is journal on this and either put it in my Bible or again just in my traveler's notebook and maybe flip with washi tape. The travel ephemera, this is from Cartabella. I love it, just matches perfectly, and I'm really excited, especially for this adventure one. So I'm excited to use these in my Bible as well as in the traveler's notebook. So much fun. The stamp, so excited for the stamp. Love that they're like patches or travel tags. Lots of room for little bits of journaling. Lots of clean lines. Love the stamp set. This stamp set, I think, is going to be used much, much more than just Revival Camp. And look how cute. The stickers, these look like patches, and if you've followed me for any amount of time here, you know that I love patches. So love that they look like little patches and have scripture. Super fun. And oh, this matches the top of here a bit, so excited to use that. More stickers, super excited about these. Again, love this travel theme, love the colors, they're just absolutely gorgeous. And then the thing I'm most excited about is the traveler's notebook, and just the pictures are gorgeous. I love how it's full color, and the devotions are always just spot on, and I'm really excited to dive into it. And I love the Bible journaling prompts. Love like verses and prompts for those. Super excited about that. And this just feels like, I cannot even describe how cool it feels. They've really stepped it up as far as like paper choices and things like that, and they really know, I think, how to get the artsy folks that are all obsessed with paper. So love that it's kind of like a passport. I know this one's focusing on the Old Testament, the Old Testament passport. Super excited to have some fun with this theme. And then last but not least is washi. So I love that it's kind of like a city map. Love the sticker on top. I'm probably going to use the sticker and just like cover up this little bit. This is Washi Crush. Definitely use that in my Bible. So super excited about this kit. And I will be back in just a little bit to show you how I'm going to be incorporating it into my traveler's notebook and show you some of the products in my shop that I'm using as well. So thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.